Good morning, friends. My name is Vijay Tadodikar. I am Assistant Professor in the Mechanical Engineering Department of Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. In the last lecture, we have already discussed what is degrees of freedom, how to calculate the degrees of freedom, and we have taken the simple example to calculate the degrees of freedom in the mechanism. Now, in this particular lecture, we will discuss a more typical numericals on the degrees of freedom. But in a last lecture, we have calculated the degrees of freedom considering the equation F is equal to thrice n minus 1 minus twice g minus h. This is the equation by which we can calculate a degrees of freedom, where F is equal to the mobility or the degrees of freedom, N is equal to number of links in the mechanism, G is a number of lower pair in the mechanism, and H is a number of higher pair in the mechanism. Now in this particular session we have four different types of numericals, numerical A, B, C and D. Let us see the first numerical A. Now this is the numerical, a simple numerical in which the links are link number 1. Now these are the fixed link. The fixed links is always a link number 1. This is also a fixed link, so we can call this link is also a link number 1. Now this is the link from that point to this point, this is called as a link number 2. Now this point to this point, the link number is 3. From this point to this point, that is link number 4. Now in this particular mechanism in a plane has a 4 links, means the value of degrees of the value of number of links is equal to n is equal to 4. Now the next step is to calculate the value of number of lower pair, and number of lower pair is always calculated by a small g. Now let us check what is the value of small g in a numerical A. Now this is a g means a number of lower pair, that's this is the A. A is a lower pair which is formed by the link 1 and link 2. Now this is another lower pair B which is formed by the interaction of link 1 and interaction of link 4. Link A is a rotary pair, link B is a another rotary pair. We can also call as a lower pair because there is a surface contact between the link 1 and link 2. Same way, there is a existence of a surface contact between link number 1 and link number 4. Let us check another lower pair. This is a pair number C. It is formed by the interaction of link number 4 and the interaction of link number 3. So the C represent a lower pair which is formed by the interaction of link 3 and 4. Now there is another lower pair which is called as D. This particular point is the intersection of the link 2 and the intersection of link 3. So this can be a link, this can be a number of lower pair, and it comes out to be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means A is a first lower pair, B is a second lower pair, C is a third lower pair and D is another lower pair. So the value of lower pair is equal to 4, where G is equal to A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, 4, C is equal to 3, 4 and D is equal to 3, 2. In this way we have calculated the 4 lower pair, and 4 lower pair is represented by A, B, C and D, while the links are represented by 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in this numerical 4 links 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 lower pair A, B, C and D. As there is no curvature or no circle present in the mechanism A, that's why the value of higher pair where is 0. The higher pair exists only when there is a circle or the curvature. Now in this particular numerical there is no circle and no curvature. That's why the value of h becomes 0. In this way all these values are put in this equation. So equation f is equal to thrice it is 4, n is equal to 4, then 1, 2 is equal to g, value of g is equal to 4 and value of h is equal to 0. So 3 into 3 minus 2 into 4, that is 8, means 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Now for this particular numerical, the value of degrees of freedom or the mobility comes out to be 1, means it can move either x direction or it can move on the y direction or it can rotate about a z direction in a plane. This is about the numerical A, where the value of degrees of freedom is equal to 1. Let us check what is the value of degrees of freedom in the numerical B. So for this particular numerical, it is somewhat typical type of numerical where there is a triangular link. This is the triangular link. Let us check how many links are present. All fixed links are denoted by a link number 1. Means this is the fixed link. This is another fixed link. It should be denoted by 1. This is another fixed link. It is again denoted by 1. It means the all links which are fixed, it must be denoted by 1. Let us check what are the different links. All fixed links are denoted by link number 1. So this is the link number 1. This must be a link number 1 and this must be a link number 1. It are all fixed links should be denoted by a link number 1. Now let us check another link. This is link number 2. From this point to this point, this is link number 2. From this point to this point, this is link number 3. From this point to this point, this is link number 4. Apart from this, there is a one triangular link, and this triangular link is this one, and it should be denoted by a link number 5. So the total present in the planar mechanism is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 links are present in the particular mechanism. The value of n becomes 5. The next step is to calculate the value of G, that is lower pair in the mechanism. When two links form a surface contact and it forms a lower pair. Now 1 and link number 5, 1 and link number 2, 1, 2 and link number 3 and link number 5, 4 and link number 5. Let us check what are the lower pair present in the mechanism. Now this is link number 1, this is link number 2. So this must be lower pair A, which is formed by the link 1 and link 2. Second one, this is another lower pair which is denoted by D, which is formed by the link 1 and 2. This is another third one which is formed by a link 4 and link 5. Now this is the lower pair D, which is formed by link 3 and 5. Now another lower pair E, which is formed by link number 1 and link number 3. Now the last is F, which is formed by the link number 2 and 5. In this way, the all lower pairs are denoted by capital letter A, B, C, D, E and F. So lower pairs are A is equal to 1 2, B is equal to 1 4, C is equal to 4 5, D is equal to 3 5, E is equal to 1 3, and last one F is equal to, means the total number of lower pairs are 6. Total number of lower pairs in this mechanism are 6. As no curvature is present in the mechanism or no circle is present in the mechanism where the value of higher pair becomes 0, we have to calculate the value of degree of freedom F. Calculate by thrice n minus 1 minus twice g minus h. Let us put the value of n, value of g and the value of h in the degree of freedom equation. Thrice 5 minus 1 minus twice into 6 minus 0. So 3 into 4 minus 12. So it becomes a 0. 3 means 12 minus 12 value. It has no mobility. Whenever you get the value of h is equal to 0, it means that there is a no mobility in the equation. It cannot move on the x side, x direction, it cannot move on the y direction, and it cannot be rotated on the z direction. Let us calculate the value of degree of freedom in a new example. Now these are, as discussed in the linear equation A and B, the value of higher pair is 0 in A planar equation, in A planar mechanism, and the value of H is again 0 in the B planar mechanism. Now these are the two examples where the value of higher pair exists, means the value of higher pair H is equal to, it must have a certain value. Let us calculate what these values are. So this is the numerical. It is again a link number 1. This is a link number 2. This is again a link number 3, and this is again a link number 4. Now this particular numerical consists of a 4 link. So value of n becomes 4. From this point to this point, it is the link number 1. From this point to this point, link number 2. From this point to this point, link number 3. And the circle itself is the link number 4. So next step is to check the value of lower pair and the value of higher pair, means that is G and H. So 1 and 2, link number 1 and 2, link number 2 will form a one lower pair, that is A is equal to 1 2. Link number 2 and link number 3 will form another lower pair, that is B. Link number 3 and link number 4 will form another lower pair, that is C. So G becomes 3 because the value of A is equal to 1 2, B is equal to 2 3, and C is equal to 4. So the value of G becomes 3. If the value of higher pair exists in the mechanism, how to calculate that higher pair? As I already told you that the higher pair is always formed by a curvature of the circle. Now in this numerical, a circle is present, means it must have a higher pair, and the circle is a ring number 4 and it rests on the link number 1, means there is the existence of a higher pair between the link number 1 and link number 4. So 4 is another pair, but it is denoted as a higher pair because it is formed by the circle. Whenever the circle or the curvature exists, there is the existence of higher pair. So D is a higher pair and its value is equal to value of H is equal to 1. Let us put all this value in the degrees of freedom equation. F is equal to thrice n minus 1 minus twice G minus H. So put the value of n, G and H. The value of n is equal to 4. The value of G is equal to 3 and the value of H becomes 1. 3 into 3 minus 6 minus 1. So 9 minus 7, it is 2. The mobility of this mechanism is 2. It is moving toward its direction and y direction. Let us check what is the value of F in a new numerical which is denoted by D. So this is the new numerical. It is again having a link, curvature and all those things. Here this is the hash link, is always a link number 1. It is a fixed link. Now this is the curvature. It is the link number 2. And there is the existence of the circle that is called as the link number 3. There is no other link in this particular mechanism. So value of n is equal to 3. 1 and 2 will form a lower pair, 2 and 3 form a higher pair, and 3 and 1 form again a lower pair. So G is equal to, so let us say 1 and 2. Link number 1 and link number 2 will form a one lower pair which is given by A. Link number 1 and 3 will form another lower pair which is given by B, and link number 2 is a curvature. Link number 3 is also a curvature or circle. So whenever the circle or a curvature exists, it means that it must have a higher pair. So in this particular numerical, the number of links is equal to 3. The number of lower pair is A, 1, 2. Number of another lower pair B is 1, 3. So the value of G becomes 2. Value of higher pair H becomes C2, 3 is the value of H becomes 1.
So put the value of n, g and h in the equation of mobility, which is given as f is equal to thrice n minus 1 minus twice g minus h. So thrice 3 minus 1 twice into 2 minus 1. So 3 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 1. So 6 minus 4 minus 1. So it comes out to be 1. Now in this numerical, where the higher pair exists and h is equal to 1, that's why